Presenting the 2006 Hummer H3. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: driver adjustable lumbar, auto dimming rearview mirror, telematics, automatic headlights, driver airbag, daytime running lights, bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, and rear defrost. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.